Unless, of course, you are the meal.
A few inches later.
I come to make an announcement. Shadow the Hedgehog's a bitch-ass motherfucker. He pissed on my fucking wife.
Please, please, please,
Sweetheart.
please.
I do not love you at all, and you are as important to me as a shit under my boot.
No, 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 no.
I can fit this whole room up my ass.
I'm tired now.
Mr. President, you are relieved of duty.
The legend.
Welcome to the broadcast. You've won Hollywood's top honors.
What is this?
You've worked with some of the best directors in the world. Matt Damon, what drives you?
Well, Casey, I prefer to ride my bike whenever I can.
Man! Whoa!
The fuck?
That's right.
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Luigi? I hope she made lots of spaghetti. Luigi, look! It's from Bowser.
If she breathes, she's a fuck!
With cranberry sauce. Right?
Oh, she wants you to throw up some worms into her mouth.
What? What the fuck? I'm going to tickle your toes!
So loud! Jake, I'm sorry.
For the inconvenience of me not giving a fuck!
Get up off of that thing, and maybe you'll feel better.